Good morning, children. Today we'll start a new chapter, a treat for mosquitoes. Children, have you ever been to a doctor and had been asked for a blood test? How did you feel? Scary, isn't it? But actually, it does not hurt much when they take your blood with the help of a syringe. Look at this picture. Doctor is taking little bit of blood for testing through syringe. But why do they take the blood for testing? Because some diseases can easily be detected by the blood test. कुछ diseases का हमें blood test से ही पता चलता है. They use this syringe to take out your blood and then they keep your blood sample in this vial to be tested. After that, they take 2-3 drops of this blood on a glass slide and keep it under a microscope. Children, I told you about microscope in the previous chapter. It makes even the tiny things look 1,000 times bigger. Now, for example, here is a blood report of Rajat. His blood was tested by a pathologist. A pathologist is a doctor who studies the cause of disease by examining blood samples and make a blood report. Pathologist हमारे blood sample को माइक्रोस्कोप से देखकर बताते हैं जिस बीमारी के लिए हम टेस्ट करा रहे हैं वो है भी या नहीं. Now what does this report say? This is a clinical pathology report which says that 11-year-old Rajat is suffering from fever with chills and rigors. Chills means ठंड लगना and rigor means shivering. Alright, so Rajat had fever also, fever भी था उसको and he was shivering also. वो ठंड से कांप भी रहा था. And here under it is written malarial parasite found in blood sample. Alright. Look at this picture. The red part is blood and the blue part are malarial parasites. That is very tiny organisms in blood. These malarial parasites are visible only through microscope. ये tiny germs हमें सिर्फ microscope से ही दिखाई दे सकते हैं. Now the question is, why did the doctor ask for a blood test? Because he saw some symptoms in Rajat. Symptoms means signs like fever with chills, बुखार के साथ ठंड लगना, पेन इन मसल्स में दर्द होना, हेडेक सिर में दर्द होना एंड वीकनेस कमज़ोरी आना. Now that we have got the reports, how did the doctor remove these malarial parasites which are in Rajat's blood? This can be cured by taking the medicines prescribed by the doctors. Prescribed means जो डॉक्टर मेडिसिन लिख के देते हैं उसे कहते हैं prescribed और जिस पेपर पर लिखते हैं उसे कहते हैं prescription. And what are these medicines made up of? Children, see, this is cinchona tree. Earlier, the bark of this tree was powdered, boiled and given to the patient suffering from malaria. Bark is पेड़ के तने की छाल. इस cinchona tree के बार्क का पाउडर बनाकर बॉईल करके मलेरिया के पेशेंट को देते थे. But nowadays, malaria tablets are made from the bark of this cinchona tree. These medicines kill the malarial parasites present in the blood. Now the question is, how do these malarial parasites enter your blood? Actually, mosquitoes carry the disease in them. When they bite you, then you might get malaria. So does that mean that whenever a mosquito bites us, we will have malaria? No, because all mosquitoes do not cause malaria. Only one type of mosquito which cause malaria is female Anopheles mosquito. And how do we spell it? Anopheles, P-H-E-L-E-S, Phyllis, Anopheles. सिर्फ फीमेल एनोफिलिस मस्किटो के काटने से ही मलेरिया होता है, बाकी मस्किटो से नहीं. This mosquito first bites the infected person and then transfer the germs by biting another person. But all the mosquitoes look alike. सारे mosquitoes तो एक ही जैसे दिखते हैं. Then how do we come to know about this mosquito? Actually, this research that only female Anopheles mosquitoes spread malaria was done by a scientist named Ronald Ross. He found out that mosquitoes are brown in color and have spotted wings. पर ये भी हमें माइक्रोस्कोप से ही पता चलता है. We cannot see these spotted wings with our naked eyes. इसीलिए हमें हर तरह के मस्किटो बाइट से अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए. And children, do you know he even got Nobel Prize for this invention? Now the question arises, where do these mosquitoes come from and how we can protect ourselves from these mosquitoes? First and the most important is, do not let water collect in and around your house. Why? Well, it's because mosquito lay eggs in stagnant water. Stagnant means collected water which is still, या पानी जो लंबे समय से एक ही जगह पर रुका हुआ है. Okay. Now each egg is hatched into a grey thread-like baby mosquitoes called larva. Look, there are so many eggs, so there will be many larvae, and larvae is the plural form of larva. This larva then grows into pupa. Larva and pupa lives under the surface of water. ये पानी में grow करते हैं. And then pupa grows into an adult mosquito, which flies off and lives in the nearby plants, houses, etc. Now see children, हर egg grow करके larva बना, ठीक है. larva grow करके pupa बना, pupa एक adult mosquito बना और mosquito ने दोबारा eggs दिए. And this is how the cycle continues. Thus, it is called life cycle of a mosquito. Okay? Children, generally in rainy season, you have seen water collects around your house like this. That is the reason malaria is more common in rainy season. As you all know, this is rainy season going on. Mosquito can breed in your house too. Breeding means mosquito lay eggs. So don't let water collect in pots, buckets, etc. in and around your house. See, water is needed in cooler. So ask your parents to put a few drops of kerosene oil in cooler, because the thin layer of oil prevents larvae to grow. But if you find large pits like this, pits means gaddhe, filled with water around your house, ask your parents to contact the government body, municipal corporation. They will spray DDT on it. DDT is a chemical to kill insects. And if you have water collected in big tank for plants, you can put fish in the tank, because fish eat the eggs and larvae in water. Children, is there any other way to protect yourself from mosquitoes? Yes, you can use mosquito nets and mosquito repellents. Repellent means which keep mosquitoes away from us. Use mosquito net while sleeping. Mosquito repellents like good night mats, coils, etc. You can also apply creams like Odomos. Now, not only mosquitoes, flies also spread diseases, especially stomach diseases. But flies don't bite. Then how do they spread diseases? When the flies sit on garbage, the harmful germs stick to them. And when they sit on your food like this, the germs get transferred to that food. And when you eat such food, the germs enter your body and causes diseases like dysentery, cholera, etc. Dysentery, cholera are stomach infections caused by contaminated or impure food. So children, it is good to keep the area around your house clean to avoid mosquitoes and housefly. Now children, let us recall what we have learned today. Symptoms of malaria. Number 1, fever with chills, pain in muscles, headache, weakness. We learned about the cause of malaria. What is the cause of malaria? Bitten by female Anopheles mosquito. Then preventive measures taken to protect ourselves from mosquitoes. Never let water collect in and around your house. Put fish in tanks to eat larvae. Spray DDT and kerosene oil in stagnant water. Use mosquito nets and mosquito repellents. Children, as it is rainy season, tell your parents, friends, neighbors that mosquito can breed on collected water. So they should take such preventive measures and protect themselves from mosquitoes. Okay, now watch this video twice, thrice and do task 6 and copy and learn it also.